Many people think Maxwell's equations belong only in physics classrooms. In reality, they power almost every modern technology around us. Today, I will show you how these four beautiful equations changed the world, became the invisible foundation of biomedical engineering. Among all engineering, powerful engineering monitor is one of the radical demonstrations of Maxwell's equations improving human life. Every MRI scan, every ECG monitor, every wireless medical sensor, every robotic surgery, and mathematics is not just symbols on paper, it is the language that powers technology and saves. As biomedical engineers, we transform these equations into innovations that improve humanity. Most people believe this machine simply takes pictures of the human body, but very few know that different field is featured in the human body. The superconducting magnet creates a powerful and extremely uniform magnetic field that aligns hydrogen nuclei inside the human body. A changing magnetic field produces an error at the magnetic flame. Very few know that every image produced by this machine begins with four beautiful mathematical equations written over 150 years ago by James Stout machine in estimacle maintain efforts mace inquino backsmitover may hit backsip tau mount macron and saxes sem pep and 17 waves and jilbert and relaxant and interquark Maxwell's. Bit likes on dad said they are breach chances for maximum portance wins. This mathematical process rooted in Maxwell's equations allows us to reconstruct the detailed anatomical image you see. If I had to choose one equation that transformed biomedical engineering forever, this single mathematical equation explains how Chain-Yuan Te'emen and Floweraday's law, the curl of the electric field equals the negative partial derivative magnetic field with a heart with respect step. That a neparizio, written in not Lorentz would read and impactioning the MRI.
This is marginal recta 48. Through changing magnetic fields, we induce measurable voltages that allow us to see inside the human body with remarkable clarity.
Electric fields control signals in the body. Gauss's law lets us calculate them from charge. Today, we'll prove how this equation influences medical science. We start with Coulomb's law. From this, we derive Gauss's law. This law explains ECGs, EGs, and defibrillators. Every signal begins with charge. Gauss's law is the foundation of biomedical engineering. The del operator represents divergence of the electric field E equal to this. Electric fields are invisible, yet they control nearly every electrical signal inside the human body. Gauss's law allows us to calculate these electric fields from electric charge. James Clerk Maxwell's history realized that electric current alone electromagnetic fields. Here is where classical physics breaks down. When Ampere-Maxwell's law joins Faraday's law, something extraordinary happens. A single equation describing current impulse and the matching of MRI scanners, robotic surgery, neural prosthetics, wireless implants, and countless biomedical technology. From the moment Maxwell completed this equation, it became the invisible divide. These changing magnetic term allows us to predict exactly how the fields will behave, even when no conduction current flows between the plates of a capacitor-like system inside the scanner. Today, we explored how Maxwell's equations are far more than mathematical expressions written on a page. They are the invisible language behind countless technologies that improve and save human lives. From MRI scanners, interwatchtina beeps to ECG and EG infinity to advanced biomedical exploring, Maxwell's ideas can crepmos faking hemens,